So have you heard about Google's new personal intelligence that it has begun to roll out and incorporate into Gemini? Yeah, it's really an effective and powerful tool, and I would encourage you to take advantage of it because what it can do now, depending on the permissions that you give it, depending on the applications that you connect to Gemini, it will now not only analyze our request or our prompt, but now it can take into consideration the context. So all your information that you give it permission and access to, like emails and other data and documents and photographs even, it can take those into consideration when it is replying to you and give you a much more powerful and personalized response. So what does this mean for business owners like us? What it means is that the data that you have about your business right now, in particular about your customers, has become even more valuable, even more precious to us. Because what you can do now in with Gemini and with other tools is you can give it access to, for instance, transcripts of the chatbot that you have on your website and all of its conversations with customers. You can give it access to a variety of data points so that now when you come to Gemini, and when you come to this tool that you're using, its responses will be even more personalized and even more powerful pertaining to your specific situation and business. So I would encourage you now to begin thinking of what are the data points you want to incorporate into your favorite AI tool, whether that's Gemini, ChatGPT, or whatever it might be, because it can really, really help you and your business reach more customers.